Hi class, we are going to review the Monday Daily Math Review. So get it out in front of you and we can go ahead and check our answers. Okay, so let's start with the fractions. It says, what fraction of the figure is shaded? So we're gonna color in our whole first. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 parts in this whole. So let's write a 4. Let's write our fraction bar because of course the 4 goes on the bottom, the whole goes on the bottom. So let's color in how many are shaded and count them while we color them in. 1 and 2. So let's write a 2 at the top. And then how do I say that? Let's write how I say that. 2 out of 4. I can also do, sorry guys, 2, oh, let's write that again. 2/4. And there's one more. How many quarters are in a dollar? It's gonna be 4 quarters in a dollar. So we can also say that this is 2 quarters. Because there are 4 quarters in a whole, there are 4 quarters in a whole dollar. So that is number 1. Let's go to number 2. Let's read it together. How much are 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 2 pennies? So let's highlight our keywords here. Okay. So we're going to do how much are 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 2 pennies worth. And I put those lines there for us because we've got those lines so that we can draw in 2 different ways. We're going to want to do dollar form and cent form. First, let's figure out how much 2 quarters is. So quarters is going to be the biggest coin and it's 25 cents. So if I count by 25s, I'm going to have 25. And then if we do one more 25, we will get 50, 25, 50. And we did our quarters. 1 dime. Let's draw 1 dime, 10 cents. And if I've got 50 plus 10, now I have 60. 2 pennies, they're actually a little bigger than dimes. Sorry, my drawings are not perfect. So 60, 61, 62. And of course, all these are cents. We're going to practice our cent sign each time. And so see how I'm showing all of my work? That is what I expect from you. So when we do it in cent form, we're just going to write 62 cents, right? So just 62 cents. How many dollars are in 62 cents? Well, if a dollar is 100 cents, if we have 62, do we have any dollars yet? No, so we're gonna put $0. And when we go to the cents, now we have a little coin. That little coin means we're going to cents next. And we say $0.62. All right, now those are your answers. Check your work. See if you got it right. Awesome if you did. Let's go to the last one. Let me go ahead and erase this so that we have room. Okay, so Tim has 64 marbles. Okay, so let's go into highlight our keywords. So Tim, he has 64 marbles. His friend gives, so I'm going to circle that word because that's our action. That's what's happening. His friend gives him 28 more marbles. So if I read this sentence and see what's happening, his friend gives him 28 more marbles. So I have to decide, what is my operation? What am I going to do? Am I going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Okay, so what I will go ahead and tell you the answer because you're not here to help me. His friends give him 28 more marbles. So he is getting marbles. So he's going to have more. And if he has more, we're going to add. Oh, let's try that again. Add. So we already know our number sentence is going to have a plus sign there. So we've got two numbers here. How many marbles does Tim have now? So he had 64. That's what he started with. His friend gave him some more. He gave him how many more? 28 more. And we'll find that answer in just a moment because I have to practice drawing my bar model now. All right, so first let's draw our nice big box. That was not a great box. Let's try it again. All right, so if we're adding, remember we have to label our bar model. We have a part and another part. And if we're adding, we're always going to be looking for the whole. So that's our question mark. So first, what Tim started with, 64. What he got more of, 28. If we put those together, we have all of our different strategies that we can use. We can use our place value chart or our regrouping, our regular operation. So let's just use our regular operation for right now. 8 plus 4, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you it's 12. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. If you got the answer 92, you got it correct. If you didn't, I'm proud of you for working this week because it has been a hard week. But now you know, and I want you to try it again on your own. Okay, so good job. I hope that this was helpful. And have a good rest of your day. Bye.